In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a dog tie out, or basically it's a cable and stake. So you would stake this thing down, and it has a rotating base on it, and it'll let the dog be able to run around and kind of like play and do all that. So going over the package here, you know, I've already opened up and looked over it. It's a 360-degree swivel, and it's a tangle-free. It can hold a dog up to 150 pounds, which is a big dog, and 1,000 pounds of pulling force, and that's like running and pulling force all the way like that. Perfect for yard camping, other environments, you know, random stuff like that. Actually, let's just go ahead and open it up here. So going over this instruction manual, you can see how it works right there. You mount this down, whether it's on a piece of wood or into the ground or something like that. And these are 10 inches long. There's 10-inch stakes on that thing. Open this up here, you know, you get the base itself. And that's what that is. Wow, that's pretty solid feeling. Look at that. It's got a little swivel ball mount in there. You get a lot of cord here, which I think is about 25 foot of actual wire. And that's a wire, by the way. That's coated wire with two kind of carabiners on, locking carabiners. That's nice. So these have locking carabiners on the end of them there. And then you get your stakes right here that you can put either in the ground or into a piece of wood. Like I could easily mount it onto this log right here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mount it right over here and then put my dog on it and show you guys how this thing works. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just stick it in the ground like this. Since my dog is small, let's see how well it works when it's just stuck in the ground like this. That's pretty solid. Okay, now I'm gonna take this little carabiner here, unscrew it, hook that on there right there, tighten that up. Now once it's tight, wow, that's actually pretty good. Let me pull it. I could probably pull it out with enough force, but I know my little dog's not going to be able to pull it out. That is actually pretty solid just in the ground, everybody. Let me grab the dog, put him on it, and see what he thinks about it. I've already, you know, the hardest part was unraveling this wire because it got tangled up on me. But here's the other piece right here. Let's go ahead and hook him up and see what he does. Okay, everybody, I got my little dog Remo here. Now, I got another little small dog, and she goes wherever he goes. So as long as he's sitting around, she's not going to follow him. I mean, if he gets out, she follows him is what I meant to say, but as long as he's locked up, we're all good to go. So that's hooked on there. See how that's connected? Now it's connected right there. Come on, Remo. See how he can go? He can go. Come on. Let's go. So that's as far as he can go. Wow, that's probably about 40 feet. That's a long ways away. So you see how it's connected right there? The cord just runs right here. Let me pull on the cord some. Oh yeah, that's locked in there. Good, everybody. What I like about it is, look, you can turn to the left and right, and it's not gonna come out. And he has a lot of leash right here that he could work with. Everybody, I don't see any issues with this. I will be using this. I might actually get another wire because look, she's already trying to make him escape. Look at this. She's trying to chew through the wire and get him and try to let him free. She's wanting him to go. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the little dog kind of like tie down leash. See y'all in the next video.